along as we explore the microscopic world with the entire family. Whether you're in a lab, a classroom, or in the comfort of your own home, let your imagination soar, especially when you think you've found a national treasure with Pluggable's digital USB microscope. With an easy plug-and-play experience, place anything on the observation pad and see things you've never seen before. With 2.0 megapixels and up to 250 times magnification, you'll be able to explore the world invisible to the human eye. Then, snap a photo using the capacitive capture button on the top of the microscope, even with the lightest touch. Pluggable's digital microscope is for students, collectors, and science enthusiasts with a passion for all things microscopic. Try it out and tell us all the cool things you can see. Works with any Windows, Mac, or Chromebook computer. Android and Linux require additional steps.
Hi, I'm Katie with Learning Resources. Meet Zoomy, a fun and affordable handheld digital microscope that can display images of 35 to 53 times magnification on your computer or interactive whiteboard. Zoomy helps you build simple technology into your lessons, and its cool, chunky egg shape makes kids want to reach out and grab it and start investigating all kinds of objects. Zoomy is just the right size for a child to hold with one hand, leaving the other hand free to manipulate the objects or take notes. It comes with 2 removable head adapters for viewing different kinds of subjects, and 4 built-in LED lights illuminate the specimen for you. With one click of the button on top, it takes photos with 640 by 480 resolution. Zoomy takes videos too. Zoomy encourages hands-on investigation. It projects magnified images onto your computer or interactive whiteboard so the whole class can be involved. Kids can create neat multimedia projects and even add fun photo frames and more. It's a great way to boost 21st century skills. It's so simple to use too. After easy installation of Zoomy software, just plug the USB cord into your computer and you're ready. No batteries. Let's observe an orange. Place Zoomy right on top of the specimen. The head adapter is designed to help keep you the perfect distance from the subject. You just turn the top to focus until the image is clear on your computer screen, and just like that, I took a picture.
Check out the cool details we captured. Very clear. Zoomy lets you rotate the image on the screen to display it in different directions. To take a video, click Capture, then Start Capture.
Your students will want to explore and observe just about everything with Zoomy. Zoomy was designed to be accessible and easy to use. It makes integrating simple technology into your lesson tons of fun for both you and your students. For more information on Zoomy, visit learningresources.com.
Get Celestron's best viewing experience for your 3D specimens with the 5-megapixel USB-powered handheld digital microscope Pro. With this microscope's precision, 5-element infrared-reducing glass lens and true 5-megapixel imaging sensor, specimens like minerals, insects, stamps, circuit boards, and more come into sharp focus on your laptop or desktop computer. Included Micro Capture Pro software for Mac or Windows-based PC is a powerful tool for capturing high-resolution images, VGA video, time-lapse animations, and more. Plus, you can measure the size of your specimens, make notes, and save images directly to your hard drive. Another great feature only available with the handheld digital microscope Pro is the easily adjustable sturdy stand. The stand stage provides the perfect platform for your specimens and include metal clips for anchoring flat objects, like paper documents and stamps. The microscope smoothly detaches from the stand, so you can use it in the handheld mode for closer views of your specimens. For high-quality views and recordings of your specimens, from the workplace to the classroom, you can't beat the versatility, quality, and ease of use of the 5-megapixel handheld digital microscope Pro from Celestron.
interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.